Hey guys, so depending on how I do this video, this is probably a two-parter now. Originally it was just my exhaust tips I showed you replacing. Yes, I've been told they're upside down, but I like them like this, so I'm going with that image. I'll see how they look once the rear opens back on. However, after replacing these, I noticed I'm starting to get a fair bit of rust down here now. I've started to sand it and realised how far back it was going, and it's going underneath on the other side as well. Same for down there. The exhaust needs a repaint as well. Obviously it was painted in high temperature paint, and I've noticed a few exhaust leaks there and here, and a few little gaskets need replacing. So I thought, why not, let's take the exhaust off and get better access to underneath the rear rings and treat everything, a bit of rust rust treatment. So yeah, today's video you're going to watch me take off the exhaust. Taking off the exhaust, we have, this is a original exhaust, so if you've got original engine, 2 bolts here. Now depending on what inlet manifold you got, some have two heat risers coming in. This one's got a single one, so you've got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on there and one on the other side, just about see just there, and that's the same for that side. Slightly different heat boxes, but it's the same bolts. And then you've got some circlips just here for each side, and then you've got the heat exchange clamps just here. So I'm going to take all that off, so I get better access underneath. I've got to take both rear wheels off at some stage and replace all the bolts and get all new stainless steel ones. I'll probably start treating all the edge bits, as well as all down here, repaint this. So good job to do before the summer. That bolt underneath is a pain in the backside, tell you what. So we have 10mm box, 13s and 10s. So 13mm spans and 10mm ratchets, or 10mm spanners, excuse me. I'll easily take this off for you. Flathead screwdrivers for these clamps, for those, there you go, those clamps. So the exhaust off. Right. See, all that needs repainting. Horrible. It definitely needs cleaning up. So I can now get to all this now. This is where I saw the rust. All that there. It's obviously had a repair here in the past while I've done it. That was about 6-7 years ago. It's not holding up too well. Let's look at this side. Yeah, it's a bit crusty.